The CIDG will issue a subpoena tomorrow to General De La Rosa to appear personally before the CIDG office here in aid of investigation of the previous crimes. I repeat, this is not an arrest warrant but a subpoena for the senator and former chief of police, former chief of the PNP.
Secretary, nasa loob po ba si Senator Bato?
Everyone inside, and I will not arrest Senator Bato. Just to be clear, I will not arrest him. I am not here to arrest him. We are not here to arrest Senator De La Rosa. In fact, we are here to protect him. We are not here to arrest Senator De La Rosa. In fact, we are here to protect him.
Ang trabaho ng law enforcement ay implementation. Hindi personal interpretation. Ang police or ang law enforcement ay talagang implementation na, hindi interpretation. So, hindi pwedeng bawat isang law enforcer ay maging sariling Supreme Court. Ang law enforcer ay hindi nagde-decide kung tama ang batas, sila ay nagpapatupad ng lawful process. Kung may challenge sa legality, ang tamang venue ay ang korte, hindi ang kalsada. At hindi ang press conference. Hindi ang press conference. Hindi ang press conference.